Hello, little friends. Welcome to Baby Bloom Tunes.
Let's learn together.
Are you ready?
Yes, we are ready.
Hi, everyone. I'm so glad you came to play today at Baby Bloom Tunes. Welcome to our classroom. A is for apple. What other word can A represent?
A is for ant.
Yes. B is for ball. What other word can B represent?
B is for bear.
C is for cat. What other word can C represent?
Yes. C is for car.
Great job. D is for dog. What other word can D represent? That's right. Look, here's a duck. E is for egg. What other word can E represent?
E is for elephant.
Yes, let's see the elephant. Wow. F is for fish. What other word can F represent?
F is for fan.
Good job, friends. Clap for yourself. That's right. It's quiz time. Great job. Now who can tell me two words that represent the letters A?
Apple and ant.
Perfect. High fives, everyone. Great job. Now who can tell me two words that start with the letter B?
B is for ball and bear.
Perfect. High fives, everyone. Great job. Who can tell me two words that represent the letter C?
C is for cat and car.
Perfect. High fives, everyone.
A, B, C, D, F, G, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, F, O.
G is for goat. What other word can G represent?
G is for grapes.
Good job, friends. H is for hat. What other word can H represent?
H is for hippo.
For you, Selma. I is for ice cream. What other word can I represent?
I is for ink.
Nice one, friends. J is for juice. What other word can J represent?
For jug.
Good job, friends.
K is for kite. What other word can K represent?
K is for kangaroo. You are doing great.
That's right. It's quiz time.
Who can tell me two words for I?
I is for ice cream and ink.
Clap for yourselves. Who can tell me two words for G?
G is for goat and grapes.
Great. You all are doing great. Who can tell me two words for H?
H is for hat and hippo.
Way to go. You have superpowered brains.
A, B, C, D, F, G, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, F, O.
L is for lion. What other word can L represent?
L is for leaf.
Great job, friends. M is for monkey. What other word can M represent?
M is for moon.
You are doing great, friends. N is for nest. What other word can N represent?
N is for nose.
Wow, you brilliant friends. O is for orange. What other word can O represent?
O is for owl.
Wonderful. P is for parrot. What other word can P represent?
P is for pig.
Parrots are very colorful friends.
That's right. It's quiz time.
Who can tell me two words for L?
L is for lion and leaf.
Way to go! You have superpowered brains. Who can tell me two words for M?
M is for monkey and moon.
Way to go! You have superpowered brains. Who can tell me two words for K?
K is for kite and kangaroo.
Way to go! You have superpowered brains.
A, B, C, D, F, G, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, F, O.
Q is for queen. What other word can Q represent?
Q is for quill.
Nice one, friends. R is for robot. What other word can R represent?
R is for rain.
Wonderful. S is for sun. What other word can S represent?
S is for snake.
Wow, that's wonderful. T is for train. What other word can T represent?
T is for tiger.
Great job, everyone. U is for umbrella. What other word can U represent?
U is for up.
You are doing great, friends.
That's right. It's quiz time.
Who can tell me two words for Q?
Q is for queen and quill.
Way to go! You have superpowered brains. Who can tell me two words for S?
S is for sun and snake.
Wow, you are doing great, friends. High five. Who can tell me two words for T?
T is for train and tiger.
Wow, you are doing great, friends. High five.
A, B, C, D, F, G, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, F, O.
V is for vegetables. What other word can V represent? You are doing great, friends. W is for watermelon. What other word can W represent?
W is for whale.
Great job, everyone. X is for xylophone. What other word can X represent?
X is for x-ray.
Great job, everyone. Always remember, Y is for yacht. What other word can Y represent?
Y is for yellow.
Great job, everyone. Z is for zebra. What other word can Z represent?
Z is for zip.
Excellent, friends. Clap for yourselves.
That's right. It's quiz time.
Who can tell me two words for X?
X is for xylophone and X-ray.
Wow, you are doing great. High five. Who can tell me 2 words for W?
W is for watermelon and whale.
Wow, you are doing great, friends. Who can tell me 2 words for Z?
Z is for zebra and zip.
Wow, you are doing great, friends.
A, B, C, D, F, G, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, F, O.
Wonderful job, everyone. We've made it all the way from A to Z. You are all superstar learners.